Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the DJI Mini SE drone. I've had this drone a while now, probably like a year or so, and I've really enjoyed using it. I've took it away on holiday to Bali and other places, Iceland as well, and you can actually get some like really good shots. For the price of it as well, it's like around, it's a few hundred quid, like I think 289 or something around that. Well, that's what I got it for anyway. And it is actually really good. It comes in this box if you get the bundle. So if you with the bundle, you get, instead of like one battery, you get 3 batteries. I'll just open it up now. In the box, you get your charging cables. The black lead is to charge your controller. The white one is to charge the batteries. So you get 3 batteries in this little charging dock. The good thing with this is that it can be used as a power bank as well. So these batteries, if you have a USB, and plug that in and charge your phone, so it can come in really handy. So you don't even need a power bank, you can just like carry this, because this is for drones and to charge stuff as well. It's really good. The controller, it literally folds away, it's dead compact. So it comes like that. Just open it up. And then there's these little round things that are just attached to the controller. You just spin them in, and then they're secure. Same on that side as well. And then make sure your antennas are up, otherwise you won't be getting a connection at all. And then it comes with a Samsung, so the USB-C cable, but originally it is for iPhones. Apparently the app's better for iPhone. Like you have to go for a bit of a complex way if you have an Android device to using it. So it's basically recommended for iPhones with these. Luckily I do have an iPhone, so I'm alright. But it is mainly used for iPhones. Not mainly used, but it's more compatible with DJI drones. So once they're securing, just put your iPhone in there or whatever smartphone. And then the best bit is the drone. It's really compact. Just make sure that the gimbal cover is off, otherwise the camera will not want to move and the motor might get stuck. And then you just want to go from the top, open both sides up, then below, and there is your drone. As you can see, I've already got the battery in. This is where the battery slots in and out, so you just open the little back cage, and then there's a button that you can press and it will come out just like that. Just put it back in for the time being, because we'll go and test it outside in a bit. But yeah, it's really compact, and for the price I wouldn't be complaining. The camera on it is 2.7K, pretty sure. It's not 4K, but if you get like the newer drones now, they are 4K. And the camera quality on this is so good. I'll try and put some photos in the video if I can, so that you guys can see. I'll try and put them somewhere in the video, and we'll go and record some footage on it in literally whenever I finish recording this part of the video, and we'll go and record some footage, see what we can get. And yeah, I definitely recommend this drone. The good thing with it, it's 249 gram. So this is like legal, so you don't need like a license for it at all, because it's under 250 gram. That's including with the battery in it as well. So the whole drone weighs 250 gram. Anything over 250 gram in the UK, you do have to have a license, an operator ID, and stuff like that as well. But you can check like the website. There's the like website online what tells you everything about it, about like the legal side of aspect of the drones and stuff like that. But if you're looking for a drone and a starter drone as well, these DJI Minis, the whole Mini series, are absolutely amazing. I have the SE. It's probably one of the cheapest ones you can get, but considering it's the cheapest one, I'm not gonna lie, it is really good. I've never really had any problems with it at all. I've never had a big problem with it. I might have had like little problems like starter things in the app, but you have to like expect that, because stuff is gonna happen no matter like what you get. Stuff technology doesn't always work properly. So yeah, but like I've never had any big problems with it, like where it's not gonna fly or it's like gone missing and never come back and stuff like that. But another good feature in the app is that if it does go missing or it falls out the sky or something, there's like a thing on the app where it'll tell you where it has, and it'll show you the video footage of where it's landed as well, what is also pretty cool. But we'll go out and get some content and see what we can get that I can show you, and we'll get a few clips of the drone in action.